My first supervisory experience was in Franklin Park, Illinois. I joined the plant in July, and as the months wore on, I started to get the hang of what I was doing. In early December, a group of people in suits toured the plant. I was kind of curious, and when I asked who they were, I was told they were investors. It didn't really shock or bother me much, but I really didn't understand what would investors be doing in our plant. Later in December, we had a staff dinner where the VP of Operations took us out to a really nice restaurant and told us that he was committed to the plant and that we were doing a great job. That felt really good. Early the next year, performance started improving as I really got the hang of working with my teams and helping them solve problems. In fact, we had done so well that in early spring, a recognition luncheon was planned. And at the beginning, we were all sitting at the tables, hourly and staff members alike, and the plant manager got up to the podium and told us how proud he was of us and how well we were doing in a performance way. Then he introduced the investors. Well, one of the investors got up, spoke to the crowd, and told us that what they really were was from a rival company, and they had just entered into a joint venture with our parent company, and because our small plant was redundant, it was scheduled to be shut down. Now, that was a stunning revelation, and I had no clue about it. Thankfully, that was the truth, because at that moment, it seemed like all of my employees' eyes were on me, checking for my reaction. Luckily, I was just as stunned as they were. So they realized that I wasn't part of that decision. Well, we were told that the doors would be shut by the end of June. But for the next 3 months, after we lost some of our key team members to other better jobs out there, our productivity started to actually get better. And what I noticed was people wanted to stay busy and stay focused and not really think about the plant shutting down. The other thing that happened was I started to become a much stronger member of the team, and the operators and mechanics truly cared about me and shared personal things and also listened to me as we tried to make improvements and just keep the work going in a safe and productive manner. As we turned off the lights on that last day, it felt very gratifying to know that we rallied together as a team and stayed strong until the end. I hope this story provided you with some inspiration to revisit your own processes. I have a lot more I'd like to share. Head over to pi-partners.com to learn how I can help. And check back from time to time for more Kaizen stories.